Installing the Vincenzo shower cabin. First of all, it is very important that the designated space where the shower tray is placed is completely leveled. Mark the mounting points for the rail profiles. It is very important that they are completely vertical. Make the mounting holes. For proper insulation, it is important to run the back of the rail profiles with sealer or adhesive before attaching them to the wall. The aluminium profiles are fitted to the shower tray and then fixed vertically to the wall. The fixed shower glass walls are slid into the rail profiles. Make sure that the pre-drilled holes are on top of the glass walls when you insert them into the rail profiles. Press the rubber strips between the rail profile and the glass wall. Install the spacer bridging frame. The water level can be set by adjusting the fixed shower walls. Drill out the shower tray, then insert and secure the sill. Install the castors on the shower door. Then hook the glass door into place. Install the handles. Install the watertight plastic slats on the door. Finally, make the necessary sealing with silicone.